In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you use AngelList for fundraising. If you are a startup and trying to use the platform of AngelList in order to raise your funds, then in this video, let me exactly show you how it is done. If you're already not inside of your dashboard, you'll need to select the option called Manage My Interview, add in your company details, and you'll be taken to this page. Once you're inside of this section on the left hand side, you'll see the option called Raise. Now, this is the entire section of adding in your terms. So you'll need to define how much you're raising and at what valuation. What you need to do is just click on New RUV. And this is the section where you need to name your round, add in a few other details about your company and as well as your industry. And then you can just click on Continue. You can also read this information on what RUV is, what are its benefits, and how does it work. So make sure you understand this first of all before you submit your application. As you go on, you just need to select a few information so that all of your information is accurate and will be presentable to investors. Now, in the last page of this application, you need to add in a few other details such as your name, your last name, your date of birth, your social security number, as well as your legal information. Make sure you select all of these options and then click on Create. Once you click on Create, you will get a unique link that you can send to investors, and all of the investment that you get will be presented in the dashboard inside of AngelList. You do not need to use any other platforms. All of the information that you need in order for you to get starting on fundraising will be visible inside of your dashboard inside of AngelList. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.